Hello, today we will guide you through how to sell share from a PI in Trading 212. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to reduce a position within one of your PIs and send a sell order with confidence. Start by opening your browser and going to the Trading 212 app site. Once you're in your account, head to the PIs area by clicking the PI icon. This takes you to your collection of investing PIs, which are simply groups of assets you've organized for easier tracking and rebalancing. Choose the specific PI you want to work with. Inside that PI, switch to the Holdings view. This tab shows each stock or ETF currently in the PI, along with its allocation, quantity, and current value. It's the best place to see exactly what you own before placing a trade. Next, select the holding you want to sell. For example, you might tap on a well-known stock to open its details page from within the PI. Here, you can review its recent performance and your position size to make sure it's the right one. Click Sell to start the order. This action tells Trading 212 you want to reduce that specific position within the PI. Selling from a PI will convert part of that holding into cash that sits as free funds inside the same PI, ready to be reinvested or transferred within your account based on your needs. Enter the amount you want to sell. You can usually switch between entering a cash value or number of shares, including fractional shares if supported for that instrument. Take a moment to confirm the figure is correct and keep an eye on the estimated proceeds. Prices are live and can move, so the estimate may update slightly as markets fluctuate. Note that while Trading 212 is commission-free, there may still be FX or market spread effects on the final execution price for foreign listed assets. When everything looks right, click Review Order. This summary screen lets you double-check the instrument, the amount, and the order type, which is typically a market order for straightforward selling. Finally, select Send Sell Order to submit. You should see a confirmation that the order has been placed. If the market is open, it generally executes shortly. If it's closed, the order will queue and execute when trading resumes. After completion, your PI will show the reduced holding and the corresponding cash as available funds. That's all there is to it. You've sold a share from a PI in Trading 212 quickly and accurately.